Have you ever wondered when it makes sense to use the green add button in Seesaw? The green add button allows you and your students to spontaneously and creatively capture thinking and learning in the Seesaw Journal without attaching it to an activity. Teachers use the green add button to share videos, resources, and exemplars with students. Here are 3 suggestions for teachers using the green add button. Teachers use the green add button to share resources they want their students to view. Maybe it's a science video or an article they want their students to read. Teachers use the green add button to post discussion questions for students. If they enable the comments in the class settings, students can see and respond to their classmates' comments, creating rich and engaging discussions. The green add button is great for sharing student exemplars. You can save any student post by tapping the 3 dots at the bottom right. Then you can share the post with your class. The green add button is a great way for teachers to share resources and examples. But what about students? When do they use the green add button? It makes sense for students to use the green add button to post to the journal when their teacher gives them directions outside of Seesaw. Here are some examples. In math, if students are using manipulatives to represent numbers, they can use the green add button to take pictures of their work and then use the microphone to explain their thinking. This makes thinking visible and supports problem solving. After reading a story to students, teachers can have students use the green add button to create a drawing of one of the story elements and use the microphone to describe the element. This supports comprehension and allows you as a teacher to check for understanding. In writing, students can use the green add button to take a picture of their work and use the microphone to read their writing. This supports fluency and gives students an authentic audience for their writing. With the green add button, there are so many possibilities. Your challenge this week is to think about one way you can use the green add button with your students. Share the creativity you capture on Twitter using the hashtag SeesawMeAMinute.